You gonna try and put my shoes on? Just a second. I'm just gonna totally open up a curtain. There we go. Here. See, let's put your foot down. Can you put your foot in? Step in it. Step right in. Mama will hold the shoes. Here. Here you go. Slide your foot right in. There's one. Goodness. Two. You can put those on your feet. They're big enough. You can't really screw it up. Here, let me see your foot. Put your foot right in. Okay, you're going to make me do it this way, aren't you? Ready? Spread your legs. There, stand. Stand. Or sit. Do you have your feet in Mama's shoes? You think it's funny? So you take them off.